So, what did we extract today from 2 ZF gearboxes, 3-cylinder heads, loads and loads of other bits and pieces that we had kicking around? Well, we got all these nice little ingots, and we used plant pots. Yes, that's right, the dollar shop sell these for $1.50, but you know something, they're not well made. They just sort of fall to bits. Well, I didn't complain about it too much. We've got another barrel in there that's cooling down, but we got all this lot today, so I was very pleased at that. Some things wouldn't go in the burn this time, we'll keep them for next time, because this got so hot this time, I really let it rip. And you can see all the slag and the rubbish that's dropped out of here. But we melted the stainless grill again. It just melted it away. It was actually glowing white hot in there. It was like Chernobyl. It got so hot it even melted the end of the pipe. So, and the barrel's shot. I'll show you around the other side what happened to the barrel. It just blew it out, it melted it. But it was kind of spectacular. That was the black goo that we used. There was no smoke out of it, funnily enough. Well, it wasn't until the end when it was started getting a bit smoky, so we stopped. But yeah, there you go. Now, somebody commented it wasn't environmentally friendly. I should do it more enviro. I can't see more environmentally friendly than this. We've got something that we're going to make something else out of, and all this scrap steel will go for recycling. Why throw it in landfill? So, there you go. That's the end. It was kind of fun. We had a few people round having a bit of a laugh. And we did this all without drinking. So, we'll catch you later. Bye.